Hey, this is Justin with Day Trade the Markets on Tuesday, July 15th. I realize this is the second video today. I appreciate if you've watched both of them. If you didn't see the other one, it was a live trade that I took in the ES this morning between 10 and 10:30, I believe. And it was what we call a sweet spot trade. And I was looking at some other markets and some other people we were talking, and there have been a lot of sweet spot opportunities today. And so I thought I would just go over what a sweet spot was, how it works, the logic behind it, and that sort of thing, and look at a few trades here. I look at the gold. There was a nice one in the Russell and in the mini Dow as well. So a sweet spot trade, and this was about as good as it gets today in gold. And this is a 2-minute chart, but you can look at this on any time frame. But a sweet spot trade is certainly a go with or a momentum type trade, and it often signifies the beginning of a vertical condition in the market. And the ideas behind it are that if you want to be in the direction of that trade, you have two or more level 3 or extreme aggression bars in a row. Like we had here in gold, we had this selling extreme aggression bar, and here's another level 3 extreme aggression bar. And the place where they overlap, just like in the trade that I took in the ES this morning, the place where they overlap, you can see where they overlap right in here. These two bars basically cross each other. That's a very nice place to enter a trade. So you can see the sweet spot was right in here, and it just sold off like crazy. Down to 1292 or so before we started to get a little bit of buying that came into the market to signify that move was probably about over, and then we just kind of went sideways for the rest of the day. So that, again, it's a nice opportunity. It often works out to be a really nice vertical type trade that can go for quite a bit. So that was about as good as it gets there in gold. Here's an example from the mini Dow. Again, this is a 2-minute chart. You can look at it on literally any time frame from scalping micro time frames to swing trading time frames. Same logic applies. But here, again, two level 3 extreme bars in a row. The area where they overlap is right in here. So getting short somewhere in this area certainly makes some pretty good sense. And you can see we ran and made new lows. Here we didn't get two of them, but we got one of them here. Came right up to the high of that and sold off. Then we started to get a little bit of buying here off of the low, and we've been in more of a consolidation, which the support resistance zones are showing as well. So that is the mini Dow. Another quick look here is the Russell. Again, 2-minute chart, just what I like. You can look at this at any time frame. Here's a level 3 extreme aggression bar. Here's another level 3 extreme aggression bar. They overlap basically right in here. Really nice entry. Here's another one. I mean, the second one is not often as good, but here's another one where they overlap, and it was certainly, was a decent trade, and then some buying started to come in to the market. So anyway, I thought I'd just take a real quick trade and look at a few other, sweet spot trades in case you were interested. Let us know if you have any questions on that, and have a good rest of your day.